village school in Maharashtra that has created a cultural dynamic centered on close ties within the community was on Thursday unveiled as one of the 3 finalists for the inaugural $250,000 World's Best School Prizes, launched in the UK to celebrate schools worldwide for their contribution to society's progress. PCMC English Medium School, Bhopkale in Pune will now progress to the public advisory vote round of the prize in the Community Collaboration category, with the winner to be awarded during World Education Week next month. The school in a remote village in Pune district is run as a public-private partnership between NGO Akansha Foundation and local government, with most of its students from low-income families.